Hey guys, this is Ellen. Welcome to FREY. Now it's the hot summer. Air conditioning system malfunction. It always hot and cold intermittently and similarly to fail to cool effectively. Also are a recurring headache for overseas repair shop and one of the top complaints by the driver. As we all know, the compressor is the heart of the air conditioning system. When it fails, no cooling, weird noise, leaks, raise the propellant starts. When it's working well, normal refrigeration cycle. Compressor sucks in cold gas, squeezing it hot, send it through the system, bring cold air back. 1 weak pipe, whole system breaks down. Here are 5 common causes of the compressor damages. Bad refrigerant fit, warp parts, loose fitting, dirty condensers, blocked pipe. Every comeback costs your time and money. That's where the phrase coming. High quality replacement compressors built for the premium cars, propellant shop, freeze advantage, leak proof, long lifespan, tough internal, built to last, lamp tested, low proven, failure comebacks for your shop. Perfect fit BMW, Mercedes Benz, right out of the box. Done right the first time, your customer drive away happy. And it's not just compressor, condensers, expansion valves. We support a full air conditioning system, one stop. Plus, we give you professional maintenance guide. Clean the condenser, check bell, watch the refrigerant, keep your customers coming back. We are 20 years in the game. 50,000 square meters marked factory, over 13,000 SKU. FREY, your reliable auto air conditioning parts supplier.